Hello, my name is Mariana and today I will be talking about the Vallenata Legendary Festival. It is a contest typical festival where they play accordion by categories and where the Hivet preset the most recognized are the Queen Vallenata, the Vallenata King, and the Infante. This festival is taking a place in Valledupar and is durante its 5 days where you have a great time. Is a what and the end of April, the beginning of March. It is a festival where you have a Korean fun because I meet many people and it's one of my favorite food is roast beef with green plantain, patacones. It also some many food there. I haven't never eaten sushi and the butifarra, which is a ball which made and you apply pepper, salt and lemon with a thousand lime, tomato, and its singly speed where I love it is poorly. Two, it trays something called a kippe. I thought it is a delicious too. In the festival, I listen to a lot of vallenato because that a basic world festival is about is also dancing a lot of vallenata and listen to some Mario Melodía, Martín Elías, and Cale Morales. Is use money jean short for clothing with platform fresh fabric blossom because in Vallenata is a very hot. The next festival that is a planning to go in the Barranquilla Carnival is a very recognized folkloric event in Colombia. I want to go because it's sentimental time. It is too full where you discuss from your problem and having a well full of happy. I would love to go to this carnival to have fun with my friends, much information. Bye.